It's Christmas morning, and this is a little piano that Grandmommy and Granddaddy sent for Rex. And he's playing that by himself. He's figured it out. Took his little legs out of his sleeper so he could feel the pad. What do you think, Rex? Do you like it? You say thank you, Grandmommy and Granddaddy. Yeah. I think it's a winner. Merry Christmas, you guys. Say Merry Christmas. Miss you and love you. Say bye-bye. 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 Merry Christmas, you guys. Love you.